So maybe a smoky eye isn't as intimidating as you think. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I really wanted to do something deep, sultry and super dark today. So together with professional nail hair and beauty, I'm going to be taking you guys through my steps on how to get the perfect black smoky eye. Trust me, it's not as intimidating as you may think. Just follow these steps and you guys will get the perfect black sultry smoky eye. If you enjoy, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and let's get into it. So I've brought you guys in very close, like super close, like you're kind of invading my space right now. But I really just want you guys to be able to see what is going to be happening. Trust me, this is not going to be a long one. It's super quick, super easy. I have already done my brows, cleaned up with a bit of concealer, and as you can see, I've kept the concealer a little bit higher on the brow bone, not really touching the lid. And that is mainly because we want to create a good base that's going to benefit the smoky eye. Because I want to achieve a super pigmented black smoky eye, I'm going in with a black eye crayon. You can of course just use a retractable liner, cream liners, those work perfectly fine, but this is going to help me get the perfect black. So this is the Nanacoco Eyelusive Eyeshadow Pencil. It is in the shade In the Night, and I'm really just going to get this all over. If you want to do a brown smoky eye, you can of course go in with a brown base, whether that is concealers, contours, cream products. It works best. If you're going in with super bright colors like blues and pinks and greens, go in with a super light concealer or eye base. Alright, now that I basically have this down, I just want to hit it and blend it out with a brush. I'm just really tapping it, not doing anything too drastic. Holding the brush on the very tip is going to help you get those light feather strokes. Alright, now that we have that all down, I'm going to go into the futuristic quad right here, and I'm going to use this black right here. I'm using this black in particular because it has a little bit of shimmer, which I feel like would suit perfectly. So I'm actually just taking this on a little bit of a dense blending kind of brush, and I'm going to go straight in and apply it. So the base that we use not only helps to make sure that it's super pigmented, but it helps the eyeshadow adhere, it helps it stay pigmented, it helps it last a bit longer. I'm making sure to cover all my areas. I really like that subtle glitter. Okay, now you guys are probably wondering, okay, what about that little stark line there? Not to worry. To get that blended out, you want to go in with a kind of transition shade. Best and most foolproof way, use a bronzer. I'm just going to dip into the shade right here using a blending brush. I'm just going to hold the brush on the tip again, light feather movement, and we're going to hit that edge. I would definitely recommend holding your mirror low so that you're looking down, because it will help you get into the little folds of your eye a lot better. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to go into the Nanacoco retractable eyeliner, and I'm just going to hit the waterline and drag it down just a little bit more, taking my brush and blending out that eyeliner a little bit. Then I'm going to take that black shadow to set the eyeliner. And once again taking the bronzer shade just to blend out. All that's left is mascara. I'm going in with the Multitasker mascara. Apply a generous coat. Then to finish, I'm just applying a little shimmer to the inner corner from the Elegance palette, and that's just going to help draw the eye a bit. And that's basically it, guys. A super foolproof black smoky eye. Definitely 10 out of 10. Recommend doing your eyes first because you can clean up and nothing will mess up your base. You definitely don't want to get black eyeshadow mixed up in your foundation. Trust me. So maybe a smoky eye isn't as intimidating as you think, especially black guys. I know we're all intimidated by black, but as I said, just follow the few steps, take your time, most importantly take your time, and find your way. As always, I'll leave everything listed down below, all the products that I used, easy for you guys to find. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one.